Hi YouTube friends, this time I'm going to show you how to upscale your low quality videos to a higher quality, like Full HD or 4K. This will allow us to watch our series or movies in optimal quality, without needing glasses to see what's happening. So if you're interested, stick around and I'll show you how to do it. Let's get started. Before we start, we'll be using the program Hybrid. The link to the app will be in the video description. And if you don't know how to download and install it, I'll leave you my previous video on how to increase the frame rate of your videos. There, I show you how to install the program. Alright, once you have the program installed and open, the process is similar to the previous video. We set the video to envenc and set the audio to pass through all. We'll import the video we want to rescale into the upper folder. And, in the lower folder, we'll select the location where we want to save the rescaled video. That completes the first step. Now we go to the envenc window. The codec should be set to H264. In the encoding mode section, it should be set to constant quality. Next, for profile level, we set it to 5.2. Then, for encoder preset, select quality, and finally, set motion vector precision to full pixel. That's all for this section. We leave the rest as it is. Now we go to crop resize, enable the resize option, disable the auto adjust option, and in the target resolution section, set the quality we want. In my case, it will be full HD. So I'll set it to 1920 by 1080. We go to the filtering option and select no accent. Now we go to the option that starts with FF, then filtering, and enable unsharpen. Set the value to 150, and leave the rest as it is. Now we go to post-processing and enable derinking, auto levels, and full range. And that's it, we're now ready to upscale our video. We go back to the base and click on the worker so he can start his job. Here we can see how the process is going. Once it's finished, we look for the file where we saved it and check if everything is correct. We'll right-click it, then go to Details, and we'll be able to see that the quality is full HD. If we compare it with the original video, we can see that the quality has changed and the bitrate has also increased, which means the process was successful. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at the comparison. And well, my lovely friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and comment if it worked for you. See you in the next video.